Can you identify the make and model of 20 vintage automobiles from the 1950s? Let's start the classic car quiz. Which of these 450s classics do you think this car is? The correct answer is A. 1959 Lincoln Premier Landau. Pick from the following choices. It's C. 1951 Studebaker Commander. What's your best guess for this one? This classic is A. 1956 Mercury Custom. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss our next classic car quiz. Make your selection for this 1950s car. As you might have guessed, this is B. 1951 Hudson Hornet. What do you think this auto is? You're riding in style with D. 1958 Buick Super. Which of these vehicles do you think we're looking at? This is B. 1957 Jaguar Mark I. Make your choice for this classic car. The correct answer is D. 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. Here are the multiple choices for this car. If you picked C, 1954 Oldsmobile 88, you're correct. What is your pick for this station wagon? You're looking at a 1957 Mercury commuter. So which 50s automobile are we looking at? The right answer is C, 1956 Chevrolet 210. Pick your answer for this vintage auto. This classic is A, 1952 Buick Special Deluxe. What is your answer for this classic truck? Yes, it's D, 1959 Dodge D100. Select from these four answers. This one is C, 1950 Mercury 8. What's your best guess for this vehicle? If you guessed B, 1953 Buick Roadmaster Skylark, you're right. Make your final answer from the choices below. This is a 1955 Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Choose from these four 1950s autos. You got it right if you answered D, 1950 Dodge Coronet. Which classic is this one? The correct choice is C, 1958 Rambler Ambassador. Select the right answer for this vehicle. It's C, 1955 Ford Fairlane. Do you know this one? Choose from these 4 answers. This one is A, 1958 BMW 600. Which of these vintage autos is this? If you said B, 1952 Plymouth Cranbrook, give yourself a point. Leave a comment and let us know how well you did on the quiz. Don't miss the next classic car quiz. Subscribe to our channel now.